And then ultimately we come to being reborn. And reborn is the actual destination, the process that leads us to our destination from here on in. Being reborn is starting off after having completed the revival and the renewal. Being reborn is a new person, a new personality, a new you that has begun life's journey all over again. And that, in ultimate sense, means that you have redesigned the wheel and recreated your life all over again. What has happened till today, that is gone. This moment is all that you have. Hence, you are reborn every moment. You are reborn every day. You are reborn every time you open your eyes. Being reborn is nothing new. It is just something that we have to learn to embrace, and it is something that we have to learn to desire. Being reborn is a state of mind, and we need to come out of everything that we have ever held dear to our hearts, that has held us back. We need to break free, and that is what being reborn is all about. So, let us first of all renew, revive, and be reborn.